Operations with percentages. We can complete operations with percentages in the same way as we do with fractions and decimals. Yet, with percentages, we can do more types of additions and subtractions than with fractions or decimals. A. Adding and subtracting percentages. If the amounts expressed in percent are independent from each other, we can add or subtract the percentages as in addition or subtraction of real numbers. For example, if 45% of a Spanish crew staff speak English and 37% of the same crew staff speak French, the percentage of staff who speak at least one foreign language is 45% plus 37% equals 82% of the staff. The same is true for subtraction as well. For example, if 35% of students in a class have scored 80 points or higher in an exam, but only 12% of students have scored 90 points or higher, the percentage of students who scored 80 minus 89 points is 35% minus 12% equals 23% of the class. However, we must be careful to make the distinction between independent events such as the situations given earlier and dependent events, where one percentage determines the other, i.e. there are situations where one percentage is calculated based on another percentage. Example: 85% of a company staff with 200 employees speak English, and 70% of English speakers can speak French as well. What is the number of English speakers only? Solution: we can calculate the percentages one by one, but the shortest method would be calculating all at once. We can write the following shown on screen. This percentage is equal to the following shown on screen. B. Multiplication and division of percentages. We can multiply or divide percentages in the same way as we multiply or divide fractions or decimals. Thus, if we have, for example, to multiply 30% and 40%, the result is not 1200% as some may incorrectly think. We find the correct result by turning the two percentages into decimals or fractions first, and then completing the operations using the known methods we have explained in the previous chapters. In this way, we obtain the following shown on screen. We can use the same method with the division of percentages as well. Thus, if we have to divide 27% and 9%, the result is not 3% as somebody may think. We have the following shown on screen. Instead, this is because multiplication and division of percentages does not work in the same way as multiplication and division of integers. Remark: as we have seen demonstrated within the examples in this tutorial and previous math tutorials, when working with fractions and decimals, the term of means multiplication. Thus, if we want to find 12% of 20% of 400, we write the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 5.1.5, and the end of tutorial 5.1. To continue this chapter, please watch 5.2 Introduction to Percentages, Fractions, and Decimals. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.